Hello, and welcome to another episode of Ginyu's Toy Review. Today we have, for those of you who know what this monstrosity is, wow. I mean, just look at that. That is impressive. This is the Ultrasaurus, a mobile battle station in the Zoid universe. Yeah. As you can see, little missiles here, and cannons, and there's a compartment here that can open. There would be a vehicle right here, and it can slide out. Yeah, this thing is impressive. You see this thing go for ridiculous prices on eBay. I got mine when at Toys R Us for whatever the hell the retail was. Let's see here. Little compartment there. Yeah. Yoo-hoo! Oh, that's pretty neat. Bit of the back view. Mine's a bit modified. These two guns, I don't remember where the heck they came from. So I figured, you know what? Yeah, my Ultrasaurus could use some more guns in the back. Then you have this thing, which, there we go. This thing comes out. Don't know why they chose to do that, but, here's where I keep my little ships. As you can see, you got these little two ships there, and then you got this open space here. At least that's what I think this compartment was for. I have no idea. So let me just put this dude back in here, and now this is, I want to say, the third biggest Zoid, but my personal fave, because I don't like the other one that's longer. The I forget what the hell the name is. My favorite was always this one here, which, as you can see, is very impressive looking. Though the one downside, and I did see a prototype, is that someone made the gravity cannon that actually, you take these two guns out and it links here, and it's like wide, like ridiculously wide, and that thing is awesome. Now, had Tommy, the company that made Zoids, made an actual gravity cannon, I would have picked that up, because come on, if you got enough money to get this bad boy or this bad girl, yeah, you want it to be as close to the series as you can. Now, like I said, mine is at one point I did have two. That's why you see there's extra missiles here. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna stick them on my better looking Ultrasaurus. A few things that I want to touch base on is these little parts right here. They are weak points in the Ultrasaurus. You have to be very careful with those. For instance, on mine, I had to crazy glue a cannon in because as I was playing around with the missile unit, the whole thing just gave way. And also, there are weak points right here in these sections of the Ultrasaurus that can break off easily. I was unfortunate to have one of the small joints break off, and that's very disappointing. I wish that there were replacement parts for the Ultrasaurus available so that you could fix those problems. And mine does work. As you can see. Yep. Alright. Okay. And this thing is big. I mean, it's impressive. They were a lot cheaper back when the Zoid animated series was still being aired on TV. These things were reasonably priced. I believe they went for like, I want to say like $60, which for a thing this massive, I mean, here's my hand, and you know, that's a comparison right here. And yeah, this thing is, yeah, it's ridiculous. It's impressive. Actually, where's my? There we go. Here's my touch coma. So yeah, I was like, "Hey, are you my daddy?" No, I'm not. Go away. Aww. So yeah, this thing is quite cool. Overall, if you're a fan of the show and you're into collecting Zoids, it doesn't get any better than this. If you can find it for a reasonable price, this is a very awesome Zoid to get your hands on and build. It's a lot of fun. It's not that hard to build, and you can have a lot of fun with it. I chose not to mess around with any of the stickers. I was like, nah, don't want to do that. I'm just going to leave my Ultrasaurus as is. I hope you guys enjoyed this review, and I'll see you next time with another. Take care, everyone. Goodbye.